Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the conversation. In fact, when we view things with prejudice and study impartially, we distort the facts and mislead the simple-minded public. I am very sad to say that Dr. J Smith has done the same, as I have seen a few of his videos. The respected doctor says that the Holy Quran is not a safe book and there are more than 90,000 errors or mistakes in it. Let me present some examples to the audience so that you get an idea of what the doctor is trying to say, and the matter should be clear as to which things the doctor is counting as difference. Let me give some examples from Surah Al-Fatiha. First recitation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. Second recitation. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. Third recitation. الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. First recitation. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Second recitation. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Third recitation. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. First recitation. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. Second recitation. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. I have presented a few examples just to explain. Now you should tell me how different results are. Dr. Sahib's claim that there are more than 90,000 mistakes or differences in the Holy Quran is based on complacency and intellectual betrayal. Yes, in some places, difference in words leads to a difference in meaning. It is important to see that whether it is justifiable or not. I will try to listen to Dr. Sahib's talk, learn from it, and also present my own knowledge, because I am also a student of religion. See you in the next video. Bye.